Our appeal as NETA Uganda is, first of all, we have discovered that KCCA is just estimating the number of street vendors who are vending via the roads of Kampala city. So we are just appealing to them, can we have some formal strategy? First of all, by registering them, training them, because KCCA has that capacity. If KCCA lacks resources, such big business associations like NETA Uganda, we can come into partnership. We can avail that skill at a free cost, because we have consultants who can be very vital in changing the perception of our comrades who have been trading via or by the roadside. Leave that alone. We have seen several interventions by His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni by establishing special funds even to the promoters who are rich, the NECO, the saloon owners, boda, even the Katale loan. So it means automatically when you migrate from street vending to occupying any government market, by the which is at a free cost, you'll be a beneficiary of Katale loan. So you are building your capacity. Secondly, we are requesting government also to set up a special fund. We may call it Vakukubo Fund, but to make sure that they can access cheap capital at ease, so that we build their capacity. And also, even if they don't afford the rent of arcades in the city, we can utilize now the highly developing metropolitan area like Gayaza, Seta, Chireka, Mukono, and others. So we need to change their perception that also business is surviving out of the central business area. So we need to work as a team, because also, you know, they have to meet their obligations. They have families. Also, they are desire to be entrepreneurs. So we cannot take them for granted. But also, as NETA, we cannot support any illegal trading. We need to accept that vending is not acceptable, and let trade order be effectively implemented. Also, we are appealing to the politician that given the fact that you have been looking for votes, campaigning, now it's done. Let us be genuine to our comrades. Let us avoid cheap politics or popularity. Let us make sure that we tell them the truth, and we work as a team also to cater for their welfare. But as NETA, we are supporting the directive of the minister and even the KCCA position to make sure trade order is effectively implemented in the city. And also I caution them, some voices are misleading street vendors that they will not vacate. They will not vacate the roads. My colleagues, the government has enough manpower to effect that. Let us not joke around with manpower and enforcement. Let us handle this challenge in a more amicable way. I wasn't successful, but I thought that I would be the Lord Mayor of the city, given the fact that I was a street vendor and I know this city so well. So the business community missed out. Even we could see how better we could handle this challenge in the more professional and chirivi way. That's what I want to use. But also this road now is becoming a challenge. First of all, it affected most of the businesses along those streets. Secondly, it created even more jam in the city, based on our perception and the way we are engaging the communities working within the city. Thirdly, now is fully accommodating street vending. From street vending even now to road vending. But it was aimed to facilitate the city dwellers, that not everything that we should use a motorcycle, a vehicle, but now it's being misused. Our appeal is, can we redesign it? Because even the trees we have been planting, they were destroyed, so that now even vehicles can start using it, and we revisit all the diversions. Yes, also we have learned that there are some businessmen already who are were established, who are hiring street vendors. Even some are still recruiting. They think that the directive won't be effected. And you find that one businessman has over 10 street vendors and directly supplies them. So this is totally illegal. This is illegal and it should stop.